my YouTube channel. I am feeling the fantasy, honey. Oh, y'all just clocked my actual hair. Oh. Today, I'm gonna be transforming myself from this ugly, drab boy that looks like he was run over by a freaking truck into this full fantasy woman, e-girl, you could never fantasy. And I am just absolutely in love with how this look turned out. I love the makeup, I love the hair, I love the, like, literally everything. The outfit, everything. And I'm so happy with how this video turned out. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, how I achieved this transformation, how I go from that boy in the thumbnail to this, then keep on watching. I am absolutely obsessed. Alright, enough pussy scenting, let's get into the video. Okay, so since the actual wig that I'm wearing, and I'm so excited for this, you guys, is not like full lace, like my main wig, this wig, the blonde wig, that's like my wig, like that's my like that's literally the wig, but the wig I'm wearing today is actually just like a really like simple blue one, and it's not full lace, and it doesn't need to be glued down to my head. Therefore, no bald cap method in this thing. We are just gonna throw on a wig cap. I actually really like these like fishnet wig caps. It's just really comfortable. Like I feel like my hair gets like breathe underneath of it. It looks like not cute right now. Honey, I can't see shit now. Call me an egg. Wow, this is a look. So I feel like an e-girl makeup is just really glowy, and it's actually like natural face makeup, but then I feel like really bold eyes and then a lot of blush. So let's do that. I'm just gonna start with the face base. This has like literally been my recent obsession of life. That was really scary. I think Mickey just shut the door. At least I hope Mickey just shut the door.
Door. Open sesame, am I right, mother?
That wasn't some demon that's trying to kill me. I also recently just tinted my eyebrows, so my eyebrows are like so bold right now. I feel like I look so cute, but like also like wow. My brows are really full. Like there's literally nothing in them right now. I'm actually gonna start with primer, and I'm gonna use the liquid gloss because this thing, I want radiance. I feel like the only way to apply these for solid serums is like this. That's the only way to apply it. I want radiance booth. Strobe cream. Okay, I am going to use this as a base to brighten my complexion. Wow, that is the radiance I'm talking about. Now I'm gonna be taking my sheer coverage foundation, and this is literally like, I don't know why, this is the only thing that I've used like the last like month and a half, and this is so old. Like it's actually really nasty and expired. I got this in 2016.
I'm not being funny to apply that.
And I use it literally all the time. But you know what? We're using her again today. Beauty means pain and having bad skin. There's nothing better in this world than a fresh beauty blender. And I go through beauty blenders like so fast because my dogs will get into my makeup studio and they will literally chew them and eat them. Come on, expired foundation. This is such a big bottle. Like how are you supposed to get through that before it expires? I bet you that's for like pro anyways. Now I'm going to take the Huda Beauty, literally the tiniest bit of this, and I'm going to go over my redness. And honestly, we're doing an e-girl makeup look, so it's fine to use a lighter foundation. This foundation is literally gorgeous and literally beautiful. And literally will cover everything. Like literally, I'm like not even like half a pump and I'm already like almost covering my whole face. Not a single imperfection in here, honey. Clock at the house. I'm now gonna go in with some concealer, and I'm gonna conceal my under eye bag. Does anyone else feel like literally like instantly more awake once you've covered your under eye bags? Because hi, that's me. Like instantly, I feel way more awake. If I can't see the bags, they don't exist. I'm trying not to like modify my skin too much, but I feel like that I have to just because there's so much foundation on right now. So much for not a full coverage look because we are full coverage. You can't see anything. I have a whole new layer of skin. Okay, I'm going to snatch my brows now. I feel like the whole like e-girl look is so very feathery brow, very natural brow. Usually what I do when I do like my girl looks, I do my eyebrows so much thinner, but I feel like I can't get away with that now because my eyebrow hairs is so dark since I tinted them. Okay, so my brows are done and I'm feeling like they're looking really snatched. I actually forgot how snatched my eyebrows looked when I tint them. Like, they're just so easy to do and they look so gorge. And now I'm gonna be moving to the eyes. I'm gonna be wearing a blue wig today, so I wanna do like, I'm thinking like a blue, like half cut crease, just like a little moment. I really feel like the main like e-girl like makeup staple is just like a lot of blush, which I will 100% be doing, but I'm so excited because I love doing blue eyeshadow. Other than like neutral eyes, I love doing blue eyeshadow. I'm going to be dipping into the James Charles palette. Starting out in my crease, I'm going to be just blending it out. And y'all, I feel honestly coming into this video, I didn't know what I wanted to film or like what I wanted to do. All the videos I posted for 2019, I'm so just incredibly proud of them, and I wanted to like continue that same energy into all my videos. But it's really hard to do like a full production with like videographers and, you know, those really crazy ideas and going into public, you know what I mean? It's you know, it's a lot of work that goes into those videos and stuff. Coming into this week, I was like, I want to just kind of take it more chill, take it back to my roots. Like, honestly, love makeup. I just love playing around with makeup and like doing my makeup, and I feel like I just really missed coming in and like just getting ready with you guys. Like, I feel like it was so fun, and like I always did that. Whether this video performs well or not, you know, I just wanted to like do a video for me, you know, just do like something that I really wanted to do. So I love bringing my eyeshadow all the way out there because I feel like it just makes my eyes look so much bigger. Ooh, Miss Thing. I feel like my eyes look so gorgeous with blue eyeshadow. Like, this is what I mean. Like, honey, this is my fantasy. So I literally turned 18 in less than a month, and I'm shook. I don't know why I'm like so scared and anxious to like turn 18. I just really am. Like, it's crazy. I'm gonna be an adult for the rest of my life, honey. It's just crazy, and I feel like I've been an adult, especially the last year. Like, I really have my own house, my own dogs, my own everything, and like, I don't feel like anything's gonna be different. I'm just like scared to put the label on, like, I'm an adult. Like, but I'm also just so excited for like the future and like what it's gonna hold for me, and like, you know, kind of being able to do like whatever I want, because like there's a lot I can't do right now because I'm not 18, but like when I do turn 18, I feel like my whole world's just gonna open up, and I'm really excited for it. But ever since I turned 18, I've been having like crazy panic attacks about turning 18. I'm like really scared about it. I just don't really know what to expect. I'm like freaking out, like low-key, like not even low-key, high-key. I'm like freaking out, and it's less than a month away. I turn 18 February 20th, y'all, just in case you were wondering. Mark it down in your calendar, sis. You better not forget my birthday. I'm hoping it'll be a good time. I mean, it should be a good time. I had a mental breakdown my 17th birthday, so hopefully we don't have another one of those because that was not fun. That's really cute. This look is finally coming together, I feel like, with the cut crease. Like, hi, I haven't cut my crease in so long, and I honestly don't know why I haven't done it so long because it's so pretty. Like, I think the reason I'm so tired is like I'm just totally recuperating from like this weekend. Like, Miss Thing, Mickey and I went out partying 3 nights in a row. I don't know if you saw our Instagram stories, and like, I don't drink, smoke, vape. Literally, I have never jeweled a day in my life. I have never done any of that shit. So like, I was like out at parties and being social and dancing and being out all night, and I feel like it just took a whole toll, like a literal toll on my body, and I'm so like still trying to recuperate from it. Like, even yesterday, like I was still like so tired and trying to recoup from it. And I leave for San Francisco in 2 days, and I am not ready. Like, I'm so tired. And I feel like I have literally been so busy since the new year. Like, I literally nonstop. Like, I've been so busy since this year started. In a really good way. Like, I love being busy. I love having things to do. But like, sis, I just feel like I need like a week to just not get out of my bed. Like, literally not do anything. I'm really feeling this eye look. I'm killing this. I'm just gonna take a little bit more of this white, and I'm going to kind of blend it back just a little bit back here, because I want it to be bright white. And for anyone wondering, I literally only used these, this, and that shade out of that for this whole eye look, and the white one, obviously. But I want to pop a little bit of this like icy blue shade on my inner corner. Is that cute? I'm just gonna be taking some white pencil liner and going underneath my eyes to like brighten it. And oh, I totally just splashed eyeshadow on my eye, and now my eye burns. I got my eye really burnt. Okay, so the eyes are done, and I'm going to move on to blush, I think, first. I literally saw this gorgeous like look on Pinterest of like these like little hearts and like sparkles down the face, and that's kind of what I want to go for. I feel like that's so pretty. I'm gonna take this big blush brush and we're just gonna blush the fuck out of my face. I feel like e-girls literally like brought blush back. I feel like no one really used blush or like made blush super obvious until like the e-girls came a trend. I literally look sick. And I think that's the vibe that they go for, but like I literally look like I have had a runny nose and I've also just ran a marathon in -16-degree weather, so. I'm going to attempt these little sparkles. I have never, let's just do some hearts. I feel like I wanna like not that boots. This eyeliner is trashed boots. All like the little bristles and stuff. That's what I hate about eyeliners like that with like the bristles, is it eventually looks like that.
Cheap.
What?
So I'm gonna be trying the ColourPop eyeliner for the first time, and I also found this crazy, I don't know, this isn't the shade Crazy, it's like a dark blue eyeliner, and I'm gonna try it on the tops of my eye. Oh, man, I need a wing. Okay, this is an e-girl look. I need a wing. These eyeliners are like, literally, they're like so pigmented, but they also remind me of like markers. That was so hard. I actually had like an eyeliner, like a stamp where you like stamp on the heart, and like that was it. And Mickey took all of them. I have no idea what he did with all of them. He literally took all of them. And now I have to draw them on manually, which is so hard. Like I can't move my face because my eyes like, my under eyes move. They're not the most even placed, but I feel like that's okay. I feel like that's really cute. Anyway, I'm still just gonna grab my white liner. I'm just gonna add like little dots around the hearts. Okay, so the lashes are on and the liner is on and everything, bitch. I am obsessed with this eye look. So gorgeous. Like I'm literally crying glitter. Like I love this Morphe glitter. Is everything. Anyway, moving on. I'm gonna be using some highlighter. This is unacceptable. It is so nasty. But truthfully, I forgot about her, but we're bringing her back. The Ofra highlighters, I forgot how good they are. I cannot wait to like snatch my wig on because I feel like once the wig is on, bitch, oh, I'm gonna be so gorge. So for the lips, I'm gonna grab one of these little Just a Tint lip crayons. And then I'm gonna grab one of the Arcielo lip glosses. This is in the shade Baby Glow. I'm going to go put the wig on, outfit on, full fantasy, and I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, honey! I am feeling the fantasy. Look, who is she? Ah! Okay, this look is literally 20 times better than I could have freaking imagined it. I literally ordered this dress. Look how sickening she is. Hi, just for this video, and I am obsessed. Like this could totally be like a vibe for me. You know what I mean? I am obsessed. I feel like this literally like what I had envisioned in my mind for this completely blown out of the fucking park. Like this wig with the little pigtails and the little heart choker and this little dress and my little fishnet leggings with my shoes. I'm so freaking happy. I am obsessed. So I guess that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and loving and appreciating this e-girl fantasy, honey. I can't even stop looking at myself in the viewfinder. I love this look so much and I'm so happy with how it turned out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys for just being here and listening to me talk. I really needed this. I just needed a little therapy moment with makeup and with you guys. So thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for watching this video. I love you all so freaking much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.